I should be able to let's do one more thing. Let's give ourselves another test text. Let's just oh, I got a test string here. I could do that one, and it is also 0 nulled. So let's do test string next. We'll just come here. Title loop, blah 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 blah. Jump to type increment x. Jumped. Okay, hang on. Title loop. Load A with x. Load A title text. Compare A to 0. B branch with close. Branch if equal to 0. Okay. To close. Boom. If not, store to RAM. Increment Y, increment X. Jump to title loop. Close. Alright, we're not going to call that close. So let's jump to, this is display string. So we'll jump here instead. So what do we want to do? We want to start, basically we're going to want to do another string just like the title, except we're going to do it at a different location. I'm seeing a potential jump to subroutine here for a display string at a specific location. So let's just take this whole thing. We'll do that again here. Except this time it's going to go here. We're going to be using test string instead. Screen RAM, comma Y. Alright, so we need to reset our indexes. Let's just do that, and we'll do a plus here. So jump to here. And here we want to do the load x's again. Oh, I didn't see I had it there already. Jump here. String offset's going to be 0 again. Screen offset, let's put that back in first column. Let's just see what it does. Ooh. That's because they're lowercase. How much do you want to bet? And our screen offset is going to be decimal 80 characters. Yeah, look at that. They're all lowercase. Crud. Alright, well, we're going to get rid of all that. Wait a minute. Well, that was lowercase also. Maybe those are not lowercase. Those are uppercase. See 4320. Yeah, those are lowercase. No, those are uppercase. So we want them to be lowercase like this one. So let's just do, we'll do a version of this one here. Call it test string. We'll get rid of, well, we want it to be lowercase, so we'll take that and the null. Boom. Alright, so I don't need this anymore. Go back to this one. Try it again. Hey, looky there. Okay. That's 2 lines down, so that's 40. It's 0 is the first line, 40, 80. Okay, good. I see an index coming up eventually again also. And I have what appears to be a viewer, maybe. Hello, Lurks. Nice to see you in chat. Welcome, you're my first viewer. I'm actually just goofing around with OBS. I used to stream a lot back in the day, but not this stuff. Would be curious if my audio is at the right level. If you could tell me that, that'd be great. And we're just playing around with a little bit of assembly here on 6502 for the Commodore 64. I'm playing with some things that I've never had to play with before. We've got, I have about that much experience using it. Both Sublime text editor, the kick assembler, as well as the C64 debugger. And so right now I'm just kind of trying some different things to try to get me familiar with what's going on. What you haven't seen here is that I also I've had this working before. I've got this entire basic program that does what I want it to do. Unfortunately, it was written for the Commander X16, which is similar to the Commodore 64, but not exact. So all the addressing and stuff is set up for the for the Commander X16. But most of the basic stuff would still be the same for the Commodore 64, but I'm trying to do it in assembler instead of basic. So, yes, welcome to the stream. Like I said, I would be curious if you can hear me okay, if the audio's all right. I'd appreciate some feedback on that. And I would tell you to like and subscribe, but I really don't care. Feel free to do it if you want to. It doesn't bother me one way or another. I'm doing this just for the fun of it, not to make any money, not to get any points on any table somewhere. So let's see here. Well, so just to give you an idea of what this is, I can show you what it would normally look like. Now this is Commander X16, which is a little bit different, but you will see it's pretty much, if I could type, out of data, DOS, this doesn't have my new program. The new program's on the thumb drive. Let's go load that one up. Here we go. This is and Morse 11 is the most recent. Actually 12 is better, but why isn't it stored there? I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and load this one. This is not the most recent, but it'll give you an idea. as you can see, I had some stuff in there. So this is what I want to do in assembly. So we'll come back to that, but that's basically what we're trying to do. We're trying to get to there, but in not from basic, but in assembler mode. So, and I'm still learning all about the Commodore 64 and what's located where. Right now I'm having difficulty. For some reason it's not changing my text color like it should be. I got a black border, black background. It's printing the title text and my little temporary test string. But it's not doing it in the proper colors. 5 should be green, and I'm getting this ugly purple. I'll tell you what, let's try a different one. Let's try 7 and see if it makes any difference. Maybe, nope, see, it's still not doing it. So going from 5 to 7 did not change that. Cursor color is defined here in labels under 0286. I've got that listed right over here. 0286 should be the current color. And for some reason it's not doing it. It's driving me up the wall. I had to go smoke a cigarette a second ago. It bugged me so bad. You still haven't chatted. I'll just say hello to you here, and maybe you're not hearing me at all, which would explain. All right, so I might need to phone a friend. He might be streaming as well. Let me check and see if he's streaming. Is he streaming? No, he is not. But that also means he's probably not online. Let's see if he's online and doing anything. Where are you, bud? You are not online at the moment. Okay, well, there's no point in looking for you there then. Alright. So it's got to be color of character under cursor. I guess I could try that address, but I don't think that's going to do it. Multicolor mode, sprite colors, border color, background color, extra background color, extra background color. That's interesting. I'll have to figure out what that's all about. Let's see what else we got. Color RAM. I'm thinking maybe, do I need to load each color into the color RAM as well? I kind of thought that's what that 1646 cursor color address did. Hit for text mode. Pointer to current line in the color RAM. Yeah, nothing else there. So that's not finding what I want. Let's try the 0287 and see if that makes any difference. I doubt it will. So let's try 7. And we'll see if that makes any difference here. Boom. No, still not doing it. Okay. Oh, mercy. Alright. I'm almost positive it should be 6. So we'll see. Load A with 7 immediately with 7. Store A to the cursor color address. Background and border are working fine. Doing it the exact same way, just different locations. I do not get it. I do not get it. Okay. Now we got 2 viewers. Welcome, viewers. I haven't figured out how for this thing to tell me how to. When somebody jumps in the chat, it doesn't ding me or anything. Oh, that other viewer is actually me. That's my background system. Checking to see if I'm online. Lurks, you got any comments here at all? I'd appreciate anything you can throw at me if you can see where I'm making a mistake or something. This just doesn't make any sense. Strings 0286. Strings 0286. 646. 646. Yeah, it's doing it. It looks correct to me. Let's try one more different thing. Let's try 12. Let's try, no, let's see. Let's try, see, these are decimal. These are 0 to 15, so let's try Charlie. Don't know what color that would be. I don't really care. And no, still nothing. Okay, still not the right color. Alright, I looked that up once. Let's look this up again. Color chart. 5 is green. 5 hex. That was gray. So right now it's doing violet purple. Yeah. By default. So it's not color under the position, color of the screen frame, color of this background, blah, 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 blah. More colors. Yeah, this is everything I just looked at in the memory map. Text color, 646. I don't know why this is not working. This is exasperating. This is why I like BASIC. Mercy. Alright. So. Beat this to death. I know I am. Alright, let's do a little bit of Googling here. Why not? Google is your friend, right? Consult the Oracle. Let's leave that there because I may need to come back to it. Alright, C64 change text color. Or would that technically be foreground color? And we probably ought to mention we're doing this in assembler. Machine code. Setting the text color. Here we go. Back from 2005. Poking it into D800. D800. Doesn't make any sense. D800. D800. DD. 5800 color RAM. See, this is back to that color RAM thing again. Do I need to do that, really? Wow, you gotta be kidding me. I can't set a default color. Well, hey, you know what? We will give it a try. Let's I don't want to keep that same width there. Let's pull that there. Put it over here and drop it out of the way. Gosh. I can't believe you got to do that. That's crazy. I should be able to, just like I set the border and background color, I should be able to set the default text color. I'm missing something somewhere. It's a clear screen, I'll bet you. It's got to be too. Now, let's see. Let's take a look at that. No, we're not clearing the screen in that. Yeah, are we? Yeah. All right, let's go back to 5 just in case it. Let's give it a label just so I can refer to it later. Okay, we'll do it here. We'll go with text color. Make it equal to 5, which should be green. Come over here. Title loop, display string. So let's repeat. Let's repeat the title loop. Okay, now hang on a second. Store color RAM with 5. How do I get 5? Oh, okay. I can do this. Do these at the same time. So I can do a. No, see, I gotta load. I'm using load A. Okay. Load A with color with cursor text. No. Text color. Load A with text color and store that to color RAM, comma Y, and okay, let's see if that works. Ooh, it gave me white. Why is it giving me text color should be equal to 5? Why is it giving me white? Where was that chart? It says here 5 should be green. Let's try different. Let's try something different, see what happens. Let's try 7. Just for the fun of it. Did we leave it open? Yeah, we did. Okay. Try it again. Brown. See, okay, we're dealing with I put in 7, it gave me 9. I put in 5, it gave me 1. So this has got a different palette. This has got a different palette for some reason. So let's if we load it with character position, can I transfer Y to A? Yes, I can. Just for the fun of it. Wonder what that would do. That should give me multiple colors. And it does. Okay. So it looks like 0. No? Y. 5. So this is screen offset of 5. Where's the brown? That's the 7. 6, 5, 4, 3. Now let's try it. Okay. So let's try 3 instead. And we're going to go back to load A with text color. Go back to that and try that. Nope, gave me that ugly brown. How many different browns are there? Okay. I don't know how I'm going to get this. Trial and error, I guess. Alright, so tell you what, let's temporarily move this. Let's just move it for the moment. We'll put it right here. Let's start with 1. And we'll leave that there because we want green. We just don't have it yet. So let's try that one. What does 1 give us? Yellow. Okay, maybe I ought to make a note of all this. Let's do that right here. So 1 equals yellow. Kind of a light yellow. Hard to tell. 0. Zero is a white. That's right. We already did that one time, didn't we? And 2 equals. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to try this just for the fun of it. No, it thinks green should be white. Green should be. It thinks green is 0. Oh, Lord. This doesn't make any sense. Okay. Change it to 2. What do we get? Ooh, 2 is black. Obviously that was black. And what's this one? Kind of a brownish. Don't know why these aren't matching up. Another white? What the hell? And we know 5 gave us that violet color. I'm almost positive of that. It's giving us white again. Text color right there. Color RAM. Why would 5 give us white? White, yellow, black, brown. 4 four color palette. This is acting like the character set colors. Chart pad. White, black, brown, and light blue. Black, brown, character. Multicolor 1, multicolor 2. So is it cycling through the different colors? I do not know. All I know is this is not going well. That's a light blue. Why do I got two whites? Was that other one kind of more of a gray? That's... yeah, 4 or 5, I don't remember, was bright white. Alright, let's just move on. Where are we at? 7. This gave us another brown or something, if I recall. That's a much deeper brown. That's almost like a bright brown. Or deep brown. It's actually a very nice looking brown, actually. Let's see what 8 does. Eight is black again. Nine is black. Okay. 10. 10 is black. This is weird. 11's that light white again. But 12. 12 is black. This is crazy. Very crazy. Even more crazy. All right, this is ridiculous. Oh. Which one will we deal with? Either 4 or 5 is a nice bright white. I guess we'll deal with that one for right now. We'll deal with that one for right now. This is just not making any sense where all my colors are. I should have 16 different colors here. And to change colors of sprites or high-res graphics, poke memory address can be used. These colors can be used in all possible screen modes for characters, the screen background or frame, or for sprites, multicolor. Character set. Color indicated by DJ where the bit pairs this, by individual pairs this. Unbelievable. I just want my text to be a certain color. This is crazy. Alright, I'm sure somebody will help me with that later on. I can deal with just the wrong color for the moment, I guess. I'm not even going to keep this. That's just utterly crazy for the moment. And this is giving me a bright white, just for the record. So, bright white text. String off, okay, so